Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how to customize your About page. So to begin, I always start on the Show Desktop Only view and then zoom out a couple times just so you can see everything on your page. And then head over to the left-hand side where you're on the page that you're currently editing just to make sure you're on the correct page. And then head up to the Page tab. And this is where you've got your canvases. So just to recap from last video, your canvases are the building blocks to make up your page that you're on. So we've got the hero and the testimonial canvas. So we'll begin at the hero canvas. What we've got here are images, text boxes, secondary elements, more text boxes and borders. So you can pretty much edit and move around absolutely everything that's in this canvas. If you want to change the text, simply click on that one and then click on text style, and all your features to change the text are in here. Then you've got your image, and because there's a border around that image, you just want to refer to the left hand side and then check what you've clicked on. So because there's a border, I've currently clicked on the border rather than the image, whereas I do want to be clicked on the image. So just click that. And then on the right hand side, you've got your file that's up here under the image tab. Click on that and you can easily change over any photo that you want. So for now, we'll go with this cool photo. And then you've got the text that you can change. You can change the colors of the border. So under, if you click on any shape, your little shape will go, your shape style tab pops up, and then you've got color. If you want color inside the box, you can make that orange, and you can make the border black. So that's a good option to use. We'll do Command Z, which is undo, or you can undo on the bottom here. And then if you scroll down, you've got a quote and a secondary element. So these are actually images brought in. So you can either keep them, you can move them around, or you can hide them. So if you click on the quote, you can easily hide it with the desktop icon. Awesome. Now if you scroll down to testimonials, with this canvas, this canvas is made up of 8 different views. So 8 different views for these numbers as well, because essentially these are headings and links. So the main thing that you want to change within these views are images, couple name, and the text. Everything else within the view pretty much stays the same, as you want them to be the same throughout each view as well. So if I click onto a different view, you'll find that the images and the text changes. The numbers and the heading stay the same. And with these buttons up the top here, they are all linked to the different views. Sorry. So the first one is if you click onto Click Actions, that's clicked onto the view 1. 2 is clicked on view 2, 3, 4, etc. And then you've got your little arrows here. So this one's linked to the next view, and this one is linked to the previous view. So that's really handy. You don't really have to change them because they're already prepared and linked. Simply change the images and the couple name and the text. All right. The other thing I do want to mention are the textured background. So as you can see, this moves around. So it moves around because it's not actually the canvas background. If I move it onto the left-hand side a little bit, you'll find that where I'm pointing is the canvas background. I'll just Command Z that. So the reason why we have textured backgrounds for this specific site is so we can have a bit of texture and detail in the background. So that just creates like this really cool effect, but you don't actually have to have it. So if you do want to get rid of that, simply hide it with the desktop icon, and you can have your plain canvas backgrounds. So in saying that, if you click on testimonials and then canvas background, you click on color and then pop in a color. So you can even have that black, but then you might have to change the text. You can have it orange or the same color as the other backgrounds. So I'll pop in the textured background once again, just so you can see it. Oh, Wrong one. Where is it? There we go. And that's the textured backgrounds. So that pretty much sums up the about and how to customize it. If you need any more information, please refer to the template guides, which have a couple more tutorials and show it pages that are all linked within the template guide. Awesome. Thanks, guys.